There are moments in history that redefine the future of a nation. On the 11th May 1998, India successfully conducted the Pokhran nuclear tests in Rajasthan, a historic moment that demonstrated India's technological strength, scientific capability, and engineering excellence to the world. And from that achievement, National Technology Day was born. A day dedicated to the scientists, engineers, innovators, and technologists shaping the future of India. Today, technology is transforming every industry around us, from defense and space to artificial intelligence and industrial automation. India is entering a new era of smart manufacturing, intelligent industries, and automation-driven growth. And the future of industrial technology comes together at Automation Expo 2026, India's largest platform for industrial automation and smart technologies, celebrating India's spirit of innovation. To every engineer, scientist, innovator, and technology leader shaping the future of India, wishing you a proud and inspiring National Technology Day.